So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba enable ang notification sa ating Snapchat account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Snapchat account or yung ating Snapchat app. And then pagka-open guys, tap lang natin yung ating profile picture na nandito sa may upper left corner. And then, after yan guys, dito sa ating pinakang profile, itap nyo naman yung settings button na nandito naman sa upper right corner. So, dito sa settings, i-scroll up lang natin siya guys. And then, stop kayo dito sa notifications. So, tap nyo na yung notifications. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, may nakalagay na enable notifications. So, para daw ma-enable yung ating notifications, itap lang natin yung enable. And ayan guys, may nakikita kayong switch button dito sa right side. So, ang gagawin lang natin is i-tap lang natin or i-turn on lang natin yung switch button. And kung makikita nyo naman, naka-allow notifications na siya. So, ibalik ko lang siya guys. And ayan, kung makikita nyo, naka-turn on na yung ating notification settings. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba enable ang notifications sa ating Snapchat account. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!